Yeah, we just had spaghetti. Good evening, by the way. I know it's evening. I've been to the store today and I bought something special. Because, I do like to ride a bike when it's not too hot. And as you might see on my hair, it's steaming hot right now. But I bought something. A bell. Now everybody will hear me. Well, guys, as you might see, if you look at my hair, I had to make it wet. I mean, soaking wet. Man, what's the smell here? Ah, these sewers. Ugh. Really, the sewers are smelly. Ugh. I don't know what people throw in there. Almost made me throw up my spaghetti. Sour faces. You know, really. Why people? It's well, it's not really a sunny day. It's more a clouded day, but it's like a hot day. And why don't you be a little bit more friendly? Why not? You think you think it's gonna cost you money? No, it's free. Oh my, we ate a spaghetti today with jalapeno. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but and now when I burp or something, man, my throat is burning every single time. God, that's hot. Well, we Europeans are not so used to such hot things. And, I was thinking about eating one, a jalapeno with the seeds and everything. But now I'm thinking like, okay, if it was hot in spaghetti, what is it gonna be without the spaghetti? Steaming? Is there gonna be steam coming out of my ears? In my mouth and everything else? Oh my God. Tell me, I know I'm gonna regret this. Tell me in the comments if I should do that or not. Man, I'm gonna regret this. God. But tell me anyway. And if there's other things that I can do, just tell me. Other challenges or something. Like the cinnamon challenge. God, I hate cinnamon. That would be I don't like cinnamon rolls already, so it's like, no. But yeah. If you guys tell me to do it, then I will. Scoop the poop in the poop bag. I scoop the poop in the poop bag. I scoop the poop in the poopy poop bag. Ugh, smelly poo. There's a meaning behind that silly song. And that is that if your dog does his business somewhere, you have to be a responsible owner and clean it up. Don't leave poo laying around on streets and everything. That's nasty. Yeah, it is coming. It's getting slowly darker. This is the end of the day and the end of this vlog. I can't do anything with my arms right now because on one arm there are two dogs hanging and on the other arm there's a camera. I got a camera hand. What? A camera hand? Yeah. Well guys, this is it. This is it. Yes. Oh, getting pulled back to do a wee wee.